Hey, if you haven't heard, I've created this exclusive group for all of you to learn more tips and hacks about credit building, Navy Federal, high limit credit cards, investing, business credit, and much more. I'm going to be posting more tips and hacks that I can't post on YouTube. So make sure you go subscribe right now at onlyfans.com/designer soapbox. It's 50% off for the next 50 subscribers right now. On this channel, I have helped people get over 600,000 in credit, removing over 5,000 inquiries, and also removing 200 collections. Wait, there is more, and you don't want to miss it in this group. So make sure you join right now. See you there. Hey everyone, it's your girl Designer Soapbox, and I am back with another video. So I want to talk about hard inquiries. So I want to just make a quick video for you guys, and let's talk about it. Let's talk about hard inquiries. Something that we do not like, something that we cannot get away from. So let's talk about it, okay? So first, let's just go into what is a hard inquiry. A hard inquiry is a hard pull from a lender or a company to obtain your credit report to determine your risk as a borrower or their decision. If you're looking to obtain credit or looking to get a car, an auto loan, something of that sort, it will result into an hard inquiry. There is no way around it. How it affects your score. So hard inquiries can drop your score from 1 point to 15 points. Hard inquiries can stay on your credit report for 2 years. So after 1 year, they actually don't hinder your credit score as much, but it will still stay on your credit report for 2 years. Inquiries make up 10% of your credit score, so it's not entirely too much of a credit score, but it does impact your credit score. So you always want to keep those inquiries to a low minimum of, I say, 2 on each credit bureau. How to avoid inquiries. Always ask the lender or the company, do they do hard pulls in order to make the decision of whatever you're trying to obtain from them. Always ask them what bureau do they pull from, because remember you have 3 bureaus: Equifax, Transunion, and Experian. And ultimately, you won't start getting denied if you have under 6 inquiries. However, I highly recommend don't have more than 2 or 3 at the most, but 2 is really good. If you're new to credit and you have tons of hard inquiries, I suggest at least get them under 6 for each bureau. So this is a gem which I've talked about in some of my previous videos, but I'm not sure if everyone heard this. But if you have a business, I highly recommend incorporating your business and then obtaining business credit, and then getting anything that you want through your business instead of your personal, because once you do business credit, you can obtain a lot of credit cards, a lot of funding with no PG, meaning no personal guarantor, which means no harmful to your credit, your personal credit. So this is a way to keep your personal credit intact and not harm it so much with the hard inquiries. Helpful tips: keep tabs of your credit. Make sure you keep tabs of your credit. Hold it, it's precious. Don't harm it, don't beat it up, don't give it to nobody. Keep tabs of your personal credit and make sure you don't give out your social security numbers to those that can run your credit. Okay, if someone is looking at you crazy because you're asking them tons of questions about where they pull from, you know, do they do a hard pull, what credit bureau do they pull from, etc., and they're looking at you crazy, then they don't care about their credit. Make sure you get that information. It is important. Also, you can lock in or freeze your credit if you're not looking to use it for a while, which I highly recommend. So if you're not doing credit repair and you're not applying for any credit at all during this time, go ahead and lock and freeze your credit. It's better safe than sorry. You don't want to be doing tons of credit repair or trying to dispute things off that isn't yours. It's such a hassle. Also, this is key: do not spread out loan shopping time around the time you are planning to do an auto or mortgage loan. So a lot of you guys know that when you're doing loan shopping with mortgages, you do have a specific time to shop around and find the best rates with different lenders. But you don't want to spread that out because that can result into more inquiries. So make sure you understand that and know that before you go into looking for mortgage lenders. Also, with auto loans, I highly don't recommend giving your social security out or getting your credit pulled by no auto company. Go to your local credit union or your local bank if you don't have a credit union and qualify for an auto loan. Also, pre-qualifying is an option to avoid any denials in whatsoever. So you can pre-qualify for tons of things such as credit cards, auto loans, and mortgage loans. Just to name a few, those are the common things, but you always want to pre-qualify. This is basically going to help you to see if you can likely get approved. Now, it does not mean you will get approved, but it's always good to know if they think that you'll likely get approved. Go through a credit union or a local bank when making big purchases. I highly recommend doing this. It's going to save you tons of money and tons of hassle going through your credit union or your local bank because they know what's best for you. They know they can help you with a lot of things. And it's always good to do business with those that you do business with on the daily. Hi everyone, this is Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express inquiry removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, guys. And make sure you check out my exclusive group at onlyfans.com/Designer Soapbox. And make sure you follow me on Designer Soapbox on Instagram. And make sure you follow my website and grab those ebooks, designersoapbox.com. I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, I love you all. Bye.